Yeah, like literally you could be like, oh, I thought these were like, you could like hike here and stuff.
Walking trails.
They kind of seem like walking trails, do they not? Like, bro, like there's no gate or nothing. You can literally just drive right in here.
It's crazy though that like there's gotta be over a few thousand silos. Like I think they're just called silos.
This place seems like it would be like a maze though. I'm just worried we'd lose the car somewhere.
But like by the look of the other buildings,
Yeah.
this does not look like it's used any longer.
Nope.
Like they just left this shit.
Like you went in this one?
Yeah.
It's weird that there's like hay here.
Yeah.
What?
It looks like something they would use for covering shit.
Parachuting.
No.
Why is there like hay and stuff in here?
This was
There's poopy in here too. Oh, I'm like trying not to step in it now. Like why would they just have animals in here? They clearly did.
This is weird.
Yeah.
Well, that explains what was put in here. It said something about missiles.
Yes. They needed hay for that.
Military supplies. One's open too. We think that some of them still have supplies in them, the ones with the locks on them. Oh, what the fuck?
That building?
Yeah.
Let's pull off right here real quick.
Weird fucking building.
Word is right, yeah. That's some nasty, rusty water. I'm fucking like stepping in a bit. Now entering zone C. Doesn't say do not enter. A lot of train tracks cut through here.
Must have been like a way to get the supplies out of here. It's so weird. Like
They're splitting logs over there.
what if they're using this?
There's like a camper down there.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. If someone actually rented out
There's a
this-
horse and buggy down there actually.
Holy fuck.
This has got to be like a fucking...
Farmland or some shit now.
Must be.
So it's gonna be our first right.
That's where the buildings are?
That's what one of the buildings are. We're gonna go through this, get all the buildings that we can from where we're at.
There's like a fence down there. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Ooh, you gotta be careful now. Look for cameras. Because this was a warehouse that we're trying to
Oh
pick
shit.
up on.
You haven't been to this one?
No. Keep going a little bit and park behind this tree over here. Dude, this is sick.
I know. I am very confused what this place is supposed to be. That's tied. We tied it.
Oh shit.
Well, that one's open. Whoa.
Damn. This is so old. Okay, yeah, this is not that safe.
This is cool.
Shit in there?
Poopy?
No. Okay, no. Wouldn't be surprised if we found like fucking,
Bombs?
not bombs, but like rounds in there. Nothing in the lockers.
Of course.
This is where they work.
It is weird. There's like at Hickling, I always wonder, like, I wonder what it was like working here.
Hazmat suits for
Their clothes. They left their pants. What?
It's in a car.
I feel like I can hear it.
Sounds fucking close.
Maybe it's just the wind.
Sorry if I'm not going with this sketch out, but we are in a military base right now.
Or used to be.
Dude, that is so sick. Yeah, people have definitely been in here, but
You think so? What gave it away? Every baby's Russian. Okay.
what the fuck is this shit?
What's that? I thought those were bullets for a second.
Dad, oh, we just fucking did a bunch of. This is so weird.
Just a bunch of junk. Like it looks like a Nazi zombie map.
Dad, bro. Dad.
Kind of, at least.
Okay, that's not scary. Fucking burn zombies down here. What the fuck is this? Makes 0 sense.
Yeah. What the hell? It had a use, I'm sure.
Somebody outside, maybe?
Sounded like an animal. You think it's the wind blowing the like leaves against the door and shit?
Such a weird place, bro.
I know. It's one of those places, it's like, I feel like I've been here before, like in a dream.
Oh no, I'm having a dream of this bitch. Sounds terrifying. Weird.
Jesus fuck. Whew. I saw your reflection in the window, and like it looked like there's someone standing on the other side of the door.
You see what this is?
Undeveloped pictures. Maybe they are developed just poorly. These are weird. It looks like a face, kinda. These are all empty, I can tell.
Why?
Yeah, you could have used those in school or something.
This place is crazy.
This is like weird. Oh, dang. I think there's another building next to it though. Yeah, here we go. Well, this was the brick room. Just a bunch of bricks. Yeah, just a room full of bricks.
There's some like county police that have unmarked cars that are Chevys, exactly like yours.
Really?
It's like, what if that guy thought you were just an unmarked car?
I feel like he probably didn't see us at all.
Probably not.
Probably just a car parked there. Where to now?
So we come out that road and we go to the right and there's another building.
Oh, there's a fence there though.
So we could park, yeah, off to the side here. The thing is literally right there.
I know, right? I keep thinking it comes to an end and then it doesn't.
We got more buildings.
Yeah, that fence really does keep going, it looks like.
This looks like a water treatment plant of some sort. I don't know if it's abandoned or not. Can't really tell.
Yeah, this place is pretty frigged. Oh wow, this building's long, holy shit. The hell is this room? It's like clay or some shit on the floor. Oh, very nice.
Yep, that's a mouse.
Hope so. Better a mouse than a human. Ew, really? Gross. I wonder how that stuff gets in here. Like, what animal comes in here and just shits on the floor?
The animal's family died because they built this shit here. On the turn, shit on the floor.
Oh, wow, yeah. This one's very cool. Oh, there's a fucking turkey. There's a fucking bird in there.
What the fuck?
Yeah, there's a fucking bird in there. Look at that. There's a whole ass turkey in there. You see it?
Yes.
I'm not gonna get close to that thing.
Fuck that.
That's like always what I'm afraid of when I come into like empty places like this. Like I know you're not gonna run into people, but it's like,
Why is it in a corner though?
I don't know. Maybe that's just where its nest is. I don't know.
No, it's freaked the fuck
'cause,
out
like-
of me, bro. You like found a dead body.
No, that'd be awesome. Yeah, I hope I got that bird on camera. That's what I'm afraid of running into, because that I know is going to happen. This is Papa's workshop. Once was, before he got outbid. I don't know.
1997.
Not recent.
Not recent at all.
Before I was born.
Same. At least we could start cleaning up the place, I guess.
Yeah,
Throw a
jeez.
little broom.
Yeah, that's one of the best looking brooms I've ever found in an abandoned place. I bet that bird was so confused.
I haven't seen a human in ages.
Like, why would there be a fucking human in here?
Oh, something like that. Oh, look at that out of here.
No, I hear that.
Oh, back the way we can.
Is that the water plant over there?
Yeah.
Probably not abandoned then. There are more buildings?
Yes.
Okay.
This over here was more.
Yeah.
The issue is we're like stupidly exposed. Yeah, so I don't even want to touch that. Can't take that way. Yo, hold up. I think I just found our way back in. Go back to where we first had parked. Yeah, it's a left and then a right. I don't know. This place just gives me the fucking creeps. So we go on this dirt road here. We're coming up to it here very soon. This might be our way back into the factory back there as well. There's also a big ass building right up here. That's the road.
Yeah, there's a little building right here.
Did you want to check that out? So we're right next to Electric Boat Company.
Okay. Oh, wow. There's more to this building than I thought.
More bathrooms.
Of course. Is this it?
Yep.
Holy Holy shit. This isn't the building from earlier we were trying to get to?
No.
Okay.
There's a whole other one.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, what's all that down there?
I think it's huge.
That's what I'm thinking too. It does sound like we're near a road. Yeah, I see that.
This sounds so weird. Fucking tank coming towards us.
That is a weird sound.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, just 2 inches away. Holy fuck, fuck me to teardrops. Holy shit.
Wow.
Wow, yeah, that's right. Squishy carpet. You said the roof was caved in, right?
Yes, sir.
I see that now.
This looks like havoc. It's incredible.
This is cool. Do you think it looked nicer before or after the roof caved in?
Probably after, just to show the decay of the structure.
I know, it's like you have the structure and then you have the outside and the nature and stuff kind of conflicting. What are these blue things? What are these yellow things? They're like wedding rings you get from gumball machines. Is that a hat? Welding? Something like that. Flammable.
Oh, circuit boards. I swear, with this place, I feel like I'm just stepping into history.
You think so? You don't feel that when you step anywhere else? History happens everywhere, every day.
Like, there's gotta be a reason why they just left all this shit.
You would think, right? But you never really know. Nothing left at this door now.
I haven't found any bullets yet, though.
I know, that's whack. Maybe this was a kitchen?
Must be. Or like a rec area.
Yeah, that's even better. Well, this counter space they got. What's that?
Poultry season.
Oop, broke that.
No matter what happens, there's always somebody who knew it would.
I knew that would happen. It is poultry season. I knew they'd have this in here. Honey. The funny thing is, it's still probably good. And honey, like, doesn't go bad, supposedly.
Want to cut it? Oh, good.
Yeah, no, I think I was, like, breaking that.
Quality with quantity.
I wish. The quality is lacking here, I'm afraid.
The quantity, though, is not.
Yeah, what the hell? Like, are there more buildings after this one?
Yep.
Really? Holy shit.
No bullets.
Still no bullets. That'd be too good to be true to find those. Material safety data sheets for hazardous materials used in this area. Oh shit. This was the men's room. This is the dead end, but it's that room from earlier.
Thanks for coming here, bro. Oh.
Oh, nice. Don't you love how, like, that seems to get so close to your actual feet? Like, I've stepped on shit like that before.
Can't go in that direction.
That place is in use?
I believe so. I'm not too sure.
Kind of looks like it.
It does. You can tell this car up there. There's a car up there.
There it is.
See that?
Yeah, I see it.
I don't know. Hold on.
There's a truck over there. There's a truck driving by over there. Over there. There's a truck driving by. Let's go back this way.
Yeah, let's look.
Because I saw that car and I was like, I don't think that place is abandoned. I don't know. It doesn't really look it.
We also have the other side to explore.
Goats? Oh shit. Hey, there goes a truck. Like, this feels like a regular ass road.
Yeah.